Community Forums and Support. Welcome to this presentation on community forums and support. In today's digital age, community forums have become an essential resource for individuals seeking information, support, and collaboration. These online platforms provide a space for people with shared interests, experiences, or challenges to connect, share knowledge, and find solutions. Community forums can cover a wide range of topics, from technical support for software or hardware to discussions on hobbies, interests, or personal experiences. They offer a unique opportunity for people to learn from each other, ask questions, and receive guidance from a community of like-minded individuals. In this presentation, we will explore the key aspects of community forums, their benefits, and how to effectively participate in and leverage these valuable resources. Community forums are online platforms where people with shared interests or experiences can connect, facilitate discussions, and exchange information. These forums can cover a wide range of topics, from technical support for software or hardware to discussions on hobbies, interests, or personal experiences. Community forums offer a collaborative environment where individuals can learn from each other, ask questions, and receive guidance and support from a community of like-minded people. They provide a valuable resource for those seeking information, solutions, or a sense of belonging within a particular community. The key aspect of community forums is the ability to leverage the collective knowledge and experiences of the participants. By engaging in discussions, sharing insights, and providing feedback, members can help each other solve problems, discover new ideas, and grow their understanding of the topic at hand. Community forums offer a wide range of benefits for those who participate in them. Firstly, they provide access to a wealth of knowledge and expertise from a diverse community of individuals. By engaging in discussions and asking questions, you can tap into the collective wisdom of the forum members, who may have valuable insights or solutions to share. Participating in a community forum also presents an opportunity to learn from others and share your own experiences. This exchange of knowledge and perspectives can help you expand your understanding, discover new ideas, and potentially find solutions to challenges you may be facing. Another key benefit of community forums is the ability to receive personalized support and guidance. Forum members are often willing to provide tailored advice, troubleshooting assistance, or emotional support, depending on the nature of the community and the specific needs of the individual. Engaging in a community forum can also help you develop a sense of belonging and connection with like-minded individuals. This sense of community can be particularly valuable for those who may feel isolated or disconnected in their daily lives. Furthermore, community forums can help you stay up to date with the latest trends, news, and developments related to the topic or industry you're interested in. By following discussions and staying engaged, you can ensure that you're informed and ahead of the curve. Finally, community forums can also serve as a platform for collaboration and networking. Depending on the nature of the forum, you may have the opportunity to connect with others who share your interests or goals, potentially leading to new partnerships, projects, or professional opportunities. Participating in community forums can be a rewarding and enriching experience, but it's important to approach it with the right mindset and strategies. Let's explore the key steps to effectively participate in community forums. The first step is to find relevant forums that align with your interests, hobbies, or areas of expertise. This ensures that you'll be engaging with a community that is relevant and valuable to you. When joining a new forum, take the time to introduce yourself and share a bit about your background and interests. This helps you connect with other members and establish your presence within the community. Next, it's important to observe and learn from the existing discussions and interactions within the forum. Spend some time getting a feel for the tone, the types of conversations, and the overall dynamics of the community before actively participating. Don't hesitate to ask questions when you have them. Community forums are designed to be a space where people can seek information, guidance, and support, so don't be afraid to voice your queries. If you have knowledge or experience to share, contribute to the discussions, and help others. Providing answers, insights, and constructive feedback can be incredibly valuable to the community and help you establish yourself as a trusted and respected member. Throughout your participation, it's crucial to maintain a positive and constructive tone. Be mindful of the forum's guidelines and etiquette, and strive to engage in a respectful and productive manner. Finally, consistent participation and engagement can help you build relationships, gain trust, and become a valued member of the community. The more you contribute and interact, the more you'll benefit from the collective knowledge and support of the forum. To make the most of your participation in community forums, it's important to employ effective strategies. Let's explore some key strategies that can help you navigate and engage with community forums successfully. First, utilize the forum's search function to find relevant discussions and information. This can save you time and help you quickly locate the resources you need. Another effective strategy is to follow threads or topics that interest you. By subscribing to these discussions, you'll stay updated on the latest developments and be able to contribute to the ongoing conversation. When answering questions or contributing to discussions, aim to provide comprehensive and well-thought-out responses. Offer detailed explanations, relevant examples, and practical solutions to demonstrate your expertise and help others. If you're providing information or advice, be sure to cite reliable sources to back up your claims. This helps establish your credibility and ensures that the community can trust the information you're sharing. It's important to be patient and persistent in your participation. Some questions or issues may require multiple interactions or a longer time to resolve, so don't get discouraged if you don't see an immediate solution. If you notice areas for improvement or have suggestions for the forum, consider providing constructive feedback to the moderators or administrators. This can help enhance the overall experience for the community. Finally, engage with the community by actively participating in discussions, offering support to other members, and building relationships. The more you contribute and connect with the community, the more you'll benefit from the collective knowledge and support. Most community forums have a set of guidelines or rules in place to maintain a positive and productive environment for all participants. These guidelines are typically enforced by moderators who are responsible for ensuring the community remains respectful, constructive, and aligned with the forum's values. Some common guidelines found in community forums include respectful and constructive communication. Participants are expected to engage in a respectful and constructive manner, avoiding personal attacks or harassment. Staying on topic and relevant. Discussions should remain focused on the relevant topics and avoid derailing into unrelated or inappropriate content. Protecting user privacy and confidentiality. Participants should respect the privacy and confidentiality of other members and avoid sharing sensitive or personal information without permission. Adhering to copyright and intellectual property laws. Participants should respect the intellectual property rights of others and avoid sharing copyrighted material without proper attribution or permission. Moderators may take various actions to enforce these guidelines, such as issuing warnings, suspending, or even banning users who repeatedly violate the community's rules. Understanding and following the community guidelines is essential for effective and positive participation in any forum. By adhering to the guidelines and maintaining a respectful and constructive tone, you can contribute to the overall health and productivity of the community, while also ensuring a positive experience for yourself and other participants. In summary, community forums are invaluable online platforms that provide a space for people with shared interests or experiences to connect, share knowledge, and provide support to one another. The key benefits of participating in community forums include access to a wealth of knowledge and expertise, the opportunity to learn from others and share your own experiences, the ability to receive personalized support and guidance, the development of a sense of community and belonging, staying up to date with the latest trends and developments, and the potential for collaboration and networking. To effectively participate in community forums, it's important to find relevant forums, introduce yourself, Observe and learn from the existing discussions. Ask questions, provide answers and insights, and engage regularly with the community. Employing strategies such as utilizing search functions, following relevant threads, providing detailed responses, citing reliable sources, and engaging constructively with other members can further enhance your experience and contributions. Lastly, understanding and following the community's guidelines is essential for maintaining a positive and productive environment for all participants. By adhering to these guidelines and engaging in a respectful and constructive manner, you can contribute to the overall health and success of the community.